Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time for presentations. Effective time management is crucial for a successful presentation, ensuring you cover all key points without rushing or running over. We will explore strategies to help you structure your content, allocate appropriate durations for each segment, and practice your delivery to stay precisely within your allotted time frame. This guide will provide practical tips to make your next presentation smooth and impactful. Now let's talk about structuring your presentation. A good rule of thumb is to dedicate about 10 to 15% of your total time to the introduction, setting the stage for your audience. The main body of your presentation should occupy the largest portion, roughly 70 to 80%, where you delve into your core message. Finally, reserve the remaining 10 to 15% for your conclusion and any audience questions. This balanced approach ensures comprehensive coverage. Practicing your delivery is absolutely essential. Rehearse your presentation several times, always using a timer to get a realistic sense of your pacing. Aim for a moderate speaking rate, typically around 120 to 150 words per minute, to ensure clarity and comprehension. Remember, visual aids can be powerful tools, helping you convey complex information quickly and reducing the need for lengthy verbal explanations, thus saving valuable speaking time. Finally, don't forget to allocate time for audience engagement and unexpected situations. It's wise to set aside at least 5 to 10 minutes for a question and answer session, allowing for interaction and clarification. Additionally, always build in a small buffer of 2 to 3 minutes. This contingency time can be invaluable for technical glitches, unexpected questions that run long, or simply to ensure you conclude gracefully without feeling rushed. This thoughtful planning ensures a smooth finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.